So the chart that I'm going to show you, the chart that I'm going to talk into this video is definitely going to blow your mind. Not just only because the price has managed to come across this 28,000 range, but we are also forming one very interesting scenario which is pointing us the media short term for the upcoming days. We should prepare ourselves for the incoming volatility, and in which duration that's going to be, we are going to find out in today's video. So before I jump into the content, please destroy that like button, and for those individuals watching the first time, come on guys, hit that subscribe button and the bell. So yesterday we talked about this ascending triangle where I showed you guys that in the medium short term the price of Bitcoin might look weak because we have broken the support from this ascending triangle. But I was very clear, even if the price does fails to find support of this ascending triangle, we could still form a very similar scenario just like as shown in an example. After breaking the support from this ascending triangle, show more of a range bound, even a fake out, fake break to the downside before showing this impulsiveness. And if you look at the price structure right now, this is something what we are witnessing. So am I expecting a breakout from this? No. What I'm expecting some more range bound between this range before volatility starts kicking in. Why? Because we know guys, the CPI report for the March month is going to be published on April 12th. So until April 12th, I am actually expecting market to be very volatile. Yes, the previous CPI report was 6%, and now we are expecting, our expectation is somewhere around 5.2%. So if we do get 5.2%, then I am actually expecting the market to favor the long. So that's why I have my long position open for now. If you are following me on my private group, then you are aware about the trades. But for now, I just want to see more range bound and then volatility kicking in, because yesterday I talked about this Bollinger Band squeeze, and inside this Bollinger Band we also found out the price is forming a very weakly narrow CPR. Narrow CPR usually indicates volatility, and since couple of weeks the price is clearly ranging in between this CPR line. This CPR line is still bullish CPR because we are forming an ascending CPR. Even for this week we have managed to form an ascending CPR. That means the price is going to find support around the CPR range between 27,900 28,000 range for this week. And if we do remain in between this range, then we are expecting some very volatile movement for the upcoming days, because this is a narrow weekly CPR. Narrow weekly CPR indicates volatility. And now if we simply look at this in a daily time frame using the Bollinger Band, you can see the Bollinger Band squeeze, the Bollinger Band squeeze has just started, and also squeezing Bollinger Band means upcoming volatility. So things are looking very interesting, and we are also eagerly and desperately waiting to see a proper breakout, because we know guys, if the price does breaks out from this key line of resistance which we have around 28,500 for now, then this could be another very impulsive movement here in price action of Bitcoin, because this is exactly what we talked in my yesterday video. I think I showed you with this smaller parallel channel in the medium short term or in the daily time frame. If the price closes the candle above 28,000, then this green line is where we could be possibly hitting, and this is exactly where we came, and after that started showing weakness. And now guys, now we just want the price to remain above this CPR line between 27,900 to 28,000 range, because remaining above that line means the price parallelly could be forming another bullish movement. Why? Let me show you that here. So just a friendly reminder guys, if you want to join my Crypto Owner VIP group, if you want to be part of my trading community, the link is in the description down below. Feel free to check it out. And also for those individual who has not destroyed the like button, please do it right now. Now if you look at this price action of Bitcoin using a very simple Fibonacci trend line, according to this Fibonacci retracement, you can see this here are some of the most common reversal labels. So if you look in our case, right, from here till the top and the area where we saw a retracement, and if you look at this retracement, where did the price of Bitcoin found support? Exactly at this 0.5 Fibonacci line. Yes guys, this 0.5 Fibonacci line actually acted as a strong line of support. You can see exactly around that area. Each and every time we got tested, we had a small relief rally type of scenario. And yesterday when the price came around that area, we again had this small relief rally. But now if this here is a continuation, right, a continuation after price testing some key line of support or the Fibonacci level, then we are expecting a move like this to happen. I'm not saying the price must show a move like this, but what could also happen, more of a range bound around this area, right, slowly starting this uptrend, because according to this Fibonacci retracement, as long as we remain around this 50% retracement area, we are okay, because we know, guys, remaining above this 0.5 Fibonacci line parallelly is also forming this Wyckoff's reaccumulation phase. Yes, those who have been following me for a while, you know, guys, I showed you this one example, a reaccumulation, where we were expecting the price of Bitcoin after some weakness to test the support around this phase C and then slowly start with this uptrend. But the price is still holding the 27,000, 28,000 support range. And now if we do see any sort of a bullish movement, then we should focus more on this reaccumulation chart. Everything is playing out perfectly. Price after this preliminary supply had this very nice massive run. We came back to test the support line, and what happened after the support line? We had this AR automatic rally. After automatic rally, we had the secondary test where the price showed retracement and came back to test the support line. We came exactly at the support line, and after that we started showing this bullishness. And now where are we? We are around this jump across the creek line. So if the price here in the medium short term does manages to remain above this 27,000 range in the medium short term, then I am actually expecting the price of Bitcoin to show a very similar movement like this, with some range bound and then slowly continuing this uptrend, because we know, guys, the price of Bitcoin since couple of days is still holding the support from this broadening top, the upper line area. And we have said if the trend continuation is going to happen, 33,000 is where we could be getting attracted, or let's say 30,000, 33,000, between that range is where we are getting attracted before price switches a trend duration. Because if we do remain above this 27,000, then this bullish scenario could play out for Bitcoin. But let's suppose, guys, if the price in the medium short term does shows any sort of a weakness, breaks the key line of support around 27,000 and heads towards 26,000 range, what is going to happen in that case? You know, we have talked about this example where the price in the past price action, after failing to hold the support from this ascending channel, got attracted towards the previous temporary resistance line before turning bullish. So even if we do see any sort of a retracement, we know around 25,000 in a bigger time frame, we have some very, very strong line of support for Bitcoin, 25,000, 26,000 range. And even this diamond top might be failing. I mean, the price, if it does remains above 27,000 in the medium short term, then this diamond top is going to fail, and we are going to look this as a continuation, not as a reversal, but more of a continuation pattern. And now even this one chart, which we have been talking since weeks, right, this will also play out perfectly. Even if the price does shows weakness, even if the price breaks some key line of support around 27,000 in the medium short term and gets attracted towards 26,000 range, even this bullish scenario will line up perfectly, because we are waiting for this retest, just like I shown in an example, right, a retest around the previous temporary waistline before turning bullish. So these were some of the quick update that I wanted to share with you in today's video. If you enjoyed my work, then please destroy the like button, and for those individuals watching the first time, hit that subscribe button and the bell. Now by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye.